Hey guys, so you might have seen my previous video of unboxing and unboxing the system, and now I've gotten as far as it's working. Now it says up on the screen sometimes comm failure. If you could please tell me what that is down in the comments below, I would really appreciate that. So let me give you a demonstration of the system. I have a wire running down, and then right over there is my panel. I put a little smiley face sticker on it just because my teacher gave me it. So this here is the system, and I changed the code. Just, you know, this isn't my actual code, but I changed the code just for purposes. Here are the panic buttons. We will push these two today. These do nothing, so let me push it. All they do is that. This does nothing either. So I'm not sure whether you can program that or not. Let's do the chime first. So yeah. Now, after the comm failure, sorry about that. Disarm chime ready to arm. Before you could see it just like star, disarmed, ready to arm. So the chime is basically, if I open up a window or door, I'm going to use my window as an example. So I could, it'll say window. So listen. The keypad is over there, so just listen. Window. That's my window. And then after that, it'll say window. Full window, comm failure. Disarm chime hit star for false. So what we can do is we can hit star for false, comm failure. I don't know how to get rid of that. And fault 10 window. So now if we put back the window, it will. Now I'm using Velcro command strips to hold this in and all that. You can use something else. If you just got a door sensor, then that doesn't matter. But this is, I used Velcro command strips to hold in my door sensors. So let's see, what should we do? We'll do the panic buttons first. The first one is fire panic button, and it gets pretty loud. So just listen. Just give it a minute. It does.
Fire zone 95.
It'll do that. And then I can silence it by doing that. And then I have to do that one more time. And then I'm going to do it just one more time, just in case. And then the police.
Alarm zone 99. Disarmed, ready to arm.
Now what you can do is a voice command for the status, which will be function voice status.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
And then if I do it twice, let me try one more time. Let me try. Well, let me try opening up.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Hold on. Alright, so that's all it'll do for right now. The comm failure again is just, if any of you guys know, can tell me what it is and how to get rid of it. My system is not monitored. It's just like a nice room system that I like to have. So let's do some more arming. Let's do the away mode.
Armed. Away. Exit now.
And then
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
that's that. Now we can do the stay mode. Now, there's actually a hidden feature in this keypad, and it's the night mode. But we'll do the stay mode, then the night mode. It does comm failure. I need to.
Armed. Stay.
It does like that.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
And now I'm gonna do night. So here's the hidden feature in here's a hidden feature in this keypad. Give it a second.
Night. Stay.
So what you do is to do it in night mode, you enter your code and press 3 twice, and then disarming it is the same.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
And then there's instant.
Armed. Stay. Instant.
Let me turn it off.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
Okay. And then let me do a bypass. Actually, no, we'll do test. And it does like dial walk or walk test. I'm not going to do any of these, so I'm just going to hit star. And it goes back to that. Then I'm going to do bypass, how to bypass a zone. On this keypad, you enter your code, 6. Then the bypass you want to do, so I'm going to do zone 11. And you have to do it twice, so zone 11 is my window. And then we can also arm it when the zone is bypassed. So let's turn off the bypass. To turn it off, you do that. And then it just goes back to that. Instant mode, we've already showed you. Code, you enter your code. Now, surprisingly on my keypad, I have to, for my keypad, it was, when I first got it, the code it came with was 6321. So, to get into program mode, I have to do 6321 800, and then you hit star, and then you do any one you want, and I'll do 99 because that's the home screen. And then and then the chime I've already demonstrated. What else haven't I demonstrated? Okay. Well, oh, the message feature. That was me. So you see this thing here, message and mic. Those two together are for really good purposes. So I do function, voice, 1. And then the red light comes on, and now I can record. Hello, thank you for watching my stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. And then you can hit 1 for off. And then the next person will have a message light blinking here. And then what they would do is function, voice, 3.
And then the red light comes on, and now I can record. Hello, thank you for watching my stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. And then you can hit 1 for off.
So that's the message feature. And now I think I've done all the things. Let me try the voice, how to turn the volume down. I'm not quite sure, but I'm pretty sure it's function, voice, 2. I don't know, so I'll have to figure that out. Tell me in the comments below. So, yeah, I hope you liked this. you guys notice there's a message, huh?
Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it. If you didn't still like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. It is snowing really heavily here, and on Friday it is really going to be snowing here. So please, just to let you know, I didn't do disarming. I will do that in another video. I will also make videos of separate these, so just chime, just arming, just disarming, and all that good stuff. I will also make how to enroll wireless devices, and also how to zone name them. So if you guys did like it, again, like it. If you didn't, then oh well, you guys don't have to subscribe. But if you did like it, please subscribe. Thanks.